Hello everyone, it's 13th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have 2 killed, 20 injured in boiler explosion at Gujarat Pharma unit. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have retail inflation hits record low of 0.25%. Again, very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have traffic safety worries abound as curious crowds throwing blast site. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have hybrid learning off to an uneven start in Delhi schools. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Waqf Board Mutalli's race against time to comply with Ummeed portal. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have HC allows continuation of probe in Dharamsthala case. Again, very important news. Then we have excess rains in Mumbai linked to 8% deaths in monsoon months. States study in nature. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Mulla Periyar ward in Idukki turns head with its name. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have can lawyers break client confidentiality. Then we have why does India's road safety system keep failing. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have how grassroots movement and campaigns are shaping India. Again, very important editorial. Then we have Alpha University distances itself from doctors accused in the blast. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have center describes explosion in Delhi as terrorist incident, promises justice. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have over 600 detained across Kashmir, jail premises search. Again, very important. Then we have Modi meets Red Fort blast survivors. Again, a very important news. Then we have enumeration forms distributed to 73 voters in phase 2 of SIR, says election commission. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Then we have Bombay High Court criticized government over malnutrition deaths in Maharashtra's tribal regions. Again, very important news from society perspective. Moving forward, we have SC to examine if farmers are evading satellite surveillance. Again, very important. Then we have tuberculosis incidence falling in India by 21% a year. WHO report. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have GI tag fee cut to 1,000. Minister promises backing for tribal goods. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have SEBI panel proposes wider conflict of interest regulation. Again, very important news. Then we have the world page where we have mass Israeli settlers attack 2 Palestinian villages in West Bank. Then we have Starmer says team united after political coup reports. Then we have Pak clears bill to create Chief of Defence Forces post, set up a constitutional court. Then we have participatory democracy key condition for my return. Yunus harming India ties. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.